Here's a word that different people pronounce in different ways. Do you say route or route? In North America, two pronunciations are commonly heard. Route, rhyming with boot, and route, rhyming with about. In the United States, both pronunciations are widely used, but route is the pronunciation of the majority. In the United Kingdom, route is the preferred pronunciation by nearly everyone. What about this word? Do you say router or router? Well, it may depend on the meaning. There is a special tool that is used to route or hollow out a material such as wood. This is always pronounced with the same vowel, no matter where in the English-speaking world. It comes from the verb to route. In the U.S., people say router. In England, router. On the other hand, the word may refer to the computing device that directs data. In the United States, this computer device is nearly always pronounced router, while in the UK, it is nearly always pronounced router. We hope you have enjoyed this tutorial. For more information about training programs in English pronunciation and speaking, or for additional free tutorials, visit www.confidentspeech.com.